Dementia is the umbrella term for a number of neurological conditions, all of which lead to a serious decline in mental ability and brain function. There are numerous diseases that may cause dementia, the most common being Alzheimer's disease.
Alzheimer's is considered a neurodegenerative disease causing the degradation or loss of neurons in the brain. Worldwide, every 4 seconds someone is diagnosed with Alzheimer's, with the disease currently affecting over 40 million people worldwide. Unfortunately, the cause of Alzheimer's isn't completely understood. However, it is known that there are 2 major lesions in the brain that lead to the progression of the disease. In the cell membrane, there is a molecule called amyloid precursor protein, or APP. This protein helps with neuron growth and repair, and over time this protein gets used, breaks down, and is recycled. Normally the protein is chopped up by an enzyme called alpha secretase with the help of gamma secretase. This chopped up fragment or peptide is soluble and goes away. However, if beta secretase forms with gamma, this fragment is not soluble and forms beta amyloid, a sticky component that bonds with other beta amyloids outside the neuron to form beta amyloid plaques. Plaques block the signaling and communication between neurons and lead to an impairment in brain function. Furthermore, neurons are held together by microtubules. It is easy to imagine them as being like train tracks that carry molecules along the axon. A protein called tau ensures these tracks don't break apart and essentially stabilizes the microtubules. In Alzheimer's, the tau protein changes shape, dissociating from the microtubules and clumps with other tau proteins, leading to tangles. Neurons with tangles have non-functioning microtubules and go through a process called apoptosis. As neurons die, the brain undergoes certain changes as atrophy occurs. As the brain atrophies or shrinks, the gyri gets narrower, the sulci gets wider, and the ventricles get larger. Alzheimer's starts in the hippocampus where memories are formed, gradually spreading to areas where language is processed, logical thought takes place, their senses become impaired, and their deepest memories are erased. Lastly, heart rate and breathing become overpowered as well. Unfortunately, at the present, no cure exists yet. However, scientists are interested in slowing the rate of progression down. There are medications that try to aid the chemical messengers in the brain. Some treat the cognitive problems. There are vaccines on offer that aim to train the immune system to attack those beta amyloid plaques before they form. All these treatments have intentions to relieve symptoms and to hopefully improve the quality of life for those 40 million people diagnosed worldwide. With the continual research conducted into the area, I have hope that we will make such advances and find a cure to stop this relentless and destructive disease that we call Alzheimer's.